Is there anyone from Sweden here? Do we have any Swedish people? Yes, Meili. So we have some Swedish people here. Maybe you can answer this. How come Swedish people sound like Stitch? How come Swedish people sound like this motherfucker? How come every Swedish person sounds one for one like one of the experiments from Lilo and Stitch? At this point, I am convinced that Sweden was taken over by these experiments, and every single person in Sweden is one of them, just in disguise. What, you don't trust me? You don't believe me?
Caleb, people are telling me that the Swedish accent sounds just like Stitch.
I think you sound like Stitch.
What? No, I don't.
Order a cheeseburger.
Excuse me, can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Not one person on this planet can convince me that Swedish people aren't the experiments from Lilo and Stitch. They all sound like that.